How to blend two images in Canva. So first is go to Uploads and then make sure you're under Images. Now you'll see this button Upload Files. So if your image is downloaded in your PC, then you can click on this button. But if not, then you can click these three dots beside it to reveal more options. So since my image is in my PC, then I will click this button Upload Files and then select my image. Now, once the image has been uploaded, you can use the same method to upload your second image, or you can use this feature in Canva to search for your second image. So select Elements, and then using the search bar, you can search for your second image. Say, for example, mountains. Now, from the result, select the image that you want to use. Drag this image in your file. So you can edit this image by double tapping and then edit. Now go back to Uploads and then drag and drop your image in this file. Now to blend in, click this icon Transparency and then adjust the transparency of the first image. And so that is how you blend two images in Canva. Thank you and have a great day.